How to send one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. So here, let's go and open WhatsApp application and let's pick up any conversation of these. I'm going to pick up this one. And now once I pick up this conversation here, as you can see, I got one message. On the right side, there's this icon in the camera icon. You can do this by a picture on your gallery, or even you can take a picture by click on the camera icon. So I'm going to choose any picture of my gallery, click on this one, and then choose gallery up to the right corner, or even you can click on camera to pick up a new picture. So let's click on gallery. I'm going to choose any picture of these in order to send it. So I'm going to pick up this one here, for example. And now once I pick up this picture, I can add any caption here, such for example, hi. And then this is one more step to let the picture only seen once. Can you see this number here, 1? Gonna click on it. And once you click on it, as you can see, photo set to view once. And then click on send. And the picture is being sent successfully. And the picture is now only gonna be seen once. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video was helpful, and thanks for watching.